Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to change theme color in Google Slides. So if you want to change your theme color in Google Slide, here is how you can get it done. The first thing you have to do is you have to tap on slide, move your mouse and click on slides. From there you move your mouse and tap on edit. Once you tap on edit themes, then tap on this option which is theme color, tap on it. So from here you can choose a theme color of your choice. So currently the theme color background is yellow, so I'm just going to tap on this color which is that one here. To do that, okay, good. Let's do that, then you cancel it, then you can see the theme color the theme color background has been changed. That's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.